Aham kokilaha, ahamapi kalaha, vasami vrikshe, dayami gagane, cuckoo cuckoo, kuhuta nena, sumadhura madhuram, gayami. In this last line, you have to say the last word gayami 2 times, children. See here, gayami. This word alone you have to say 2 times. Okay, children? See here. Aham kokilaha, ahamapi kalaha, vasami vrikshe, dayami gagane, cuckoo cuckoo, kuhuta nena, sumadhura madhuram, gayami. Gayami. Okay, children? And now I will explain the meaning. Listen here. The cuckoo bird is saying about himself. What the cuckoo bird is saying? Aham kokilaha. Aham kokilaha means what? I am a cuckoo bird. I am a cuckoo bird. Aham means I. Kokilaha means cuckoo. What is the meaning you are getting? I am cuckoo bird. Ahamapi kalaha. In the previous rhyme, what the crow said to you? Aham kalaha. Kalaha means I am black in color. The crow told you, no? Likewise, the cuckoo bird is also saying, ahamapi kalaha. I am also black in color. Okay, children, see here. Aham api kalaha. You have to split this word. Aham api. Aham means I. Api means also. Kalaha means black in color. So, what the cuckoo bird is saying? Aham kokilaha. I am the cuckoo bird. Ahamapi kalaha. I am also black in color. Okay, children. Then what the cuckoo bird is saying in the second line? Vasami vrikshe. What does mean by vasami? Vasami means to live. Vasami. Aham vasami. The cuckoo bird is saying, aham vasami. I live. Then what we will ask you? Where do you live? Vrikshe aham vasami. Aham vrikshe vasami. What does it mean by vrikshe? Vrikshe means in the tree. So what the cuckoo bird is saying? I live in the tree. Aham vrikshe vasami. Then dayami gagane. What does it mean by dayami? Dayami means I fly. Aham dayami. I fly. Where do you fly? We will ask, right? Then the cuckoo bird is saying, aham gagane dayami. I fly in the sky. Okay, children, see here. Aham gagane dayami. I fly in the sky. Then what the cuckoo bird is describing? Cuckoo cuckoo. Did you hear the voice of a cuckoo bird? Cuckoo, cuckoo. Like that, it will chirp, right? That's why the cuckoo bird is saying, I will chirp like this. Cuckoo, cuckoo. Okay, children? Then, kuhutanena sumadhura madhuram gayami. What do you mean by gayami? Gayami means I sing. Aham gayami. I sing. Sumadhura madhuram gayami. I sing like a nectar. I sing like honey. Okay, children? It will be nectar to hear the cuckoo bird's sound. In the spring season, how the cuckoo bird will sing? The cuckoo bird will sing like a nectar. Okay, children? See here. Now, I will sing the rhyme one more time. This time you have to repeat after me, children. Okay? Listen carefully. Aham kokilaha, ahamapi kalaha, vasami vrikshe, dayami gagane, cuckoo cuckoo, kuhuta nena, sumadhura madhuram, gayami. Gayami. Okay, children? Did you enjoy this session? Thank you so much, children.